Next question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles. So total number of articles he bought is equal to 80. 4 rupees, total rupees he spent is 2400, that is given in the question. And sell them for a profit of 16%. Profit means he gained some money. Okay. If he brought it for 2400, if he got profit, that means he sell it more than 2400 rupees. That is the meaning. Profit. What is the profit meaning? He gained some money. He sold it more than 2400 rupees. Clear? So we have to find out the selling price of one article. So we have to find selling price of one article. How many articles he brought? 80 articles. So 80 article cost, which is given here 2400. So we can write here buying price of total 80 articles, right? So total 80 articles is equal to 2400 rupees, which is given in the question. So this is for 80 articles, 2400. So we have to calculate cost of one article. Cost of one article, how can we calculate? This total amount 2400 divided by total number of articles, that is 80. 0 0 we can cancel, 8 and 24 we can cancel, 3 comes here and 0 already we have, so 30 is the answer. 2400 divided by 80, we will get the answer is equal to 30. So buying price of 80 articles is equal to 2400, and cost of one article, buying price of one article is equal to 2400 divided by this 80, we will get 30 rupees. Okay. Next it is given that what is 16 percentage, which is given in the question, that is profit percentage, which is given in the question. What is profit percentage? This is 16 percentage. We have to find out selling price of one article. Selling price of one article we have to find out. Okay. How can we calculate this one? We know that here we have profit percentage value. We know that one equation, profit percentage is equal to profit amount divided by cost price into 100. This is the equation for finding profit percentage. But here profit percentage, which is given in the question, correct? So I am substituting this profit percentage here. So instead of this profit percentage, we can write 16, which is equal to profit amount. What is the profit amount? We don't know. We have to calculate profit amount. So profit amount I written here. We have to calculate profit amount of one article. So profit amount I written profit amount divided by cost price. Cost price means buying price. Okay. Do not confused. Cost price means buying price. So cost price of one article we have to calculate, because we have to calculate the selling price of one article. In the case it is asking selling price of one article. So here also you should write cost price of one article, not this one. This is 80 article cost. We calculated here cost price of one article is equal to 30. So this 30 I substitute here and into remaining 100. 30 and 100 we can cancel. 300 we can cancel, and again this 3 I am multiplying with this 16. 3 into 16 we will get here 48, which is equal to profit amount into 10. So we will get profit amount. Profit amount is equal to this 48 divided by this 10. 48 divided by 10 is equal to 4.8 rupees. What is the question? We have to find out the selling price of one article. This is only profit, correct? This is only profit. That means his gain only. You should understand the each and every word meaning, otherwise you cannot write this answer. Okay. He buy this article by rupees 30 rupees. That is the cost of article, and this is his gain only. That means his profit only. So we have to calculate total selling price of one article. How can we calculate this cost price of one article? So I am writing cost price, CP representing cost price. Cost price of one article plus profit amount. This is the equation for finding selling price of one article. Okay, cost price we have here, one article cost price, that is 30 rupees, plus profit of one article, that is calculated here 4.8. So 30 plus 4.8, 34.8 rupees. This is the selling price of, he sold that same item by 34.8 rupees. So he gained 4.8 rupees extra, correct? That is why called it as profit, because he spent only 30 rupees. Now he sold by 34.8 rupees. That means extra 4.8 rupees he gained now. That is why it is telling that he has profit. Okay, that is the meaning of question. So at last we have to calculate selling price of article. That means cost price, he buy price, that 30 rupees, plus this is his profit of one article, that price. We will get the total selling price of one article. This is the final answer.